Hi, I'm Annie. I'm with Epoch Salon, and I'm going to be talking to you today about how to refresh your hair without shampooing. There are 3 reasons why you wouldn't really want to wash your hair every day. It dries your scalp and your hair out, so it's better for the condition of your hair if you don't. Fades your color, so if you want to have that vibrant red for a long time, best not to shampoo every day. And it also is a time waste. You can save a lot of time in the morning if you don't have to style and wash your hair every single day. So there are a few techniques I'd like to share with you that I use to refresh my hair. The first being one that most people have heard of, dry shampoo. So I'm gonna be using the Moroccan oil dry shampoo. It has rice protein in it. It's really awesome for absorbing oil the way that rice can. So with any dry shampoo, you wanna section your hair right at the scalp, do a spray from about 6 inches away, and do a few throughout the whole scalp. And then you wanna let it sit for about 10 seconds. So after it sits, you're gonna rub it in until you can't see any more powder. And then voila. The next tip I have is how to refresh your volume with a hair dryer. You're going to use the dryer on high heat upside down at your roots until your roots are completely hot, and then use the cold button to cool them off until your roots are completely cool. And then flip your hair back and you'll have luscious volume like this. It's a lot of volume right there. I mean, I got good hair, so. Another thing you can do to refresh your hair if it's just looking too greasy and dry shampoo isn't gonna do it, is to just wash your bangs, just this section right here. You don't have to have bangs to do it. You can just wash the front of your hair in the sink with shampoo, re-blow dry, and you'll be good. So our last default option is to just pull your hair up into a half ponytail. If there's anything going on with the front, which is usually the issue when you don't want to shampoo, is this area. This eliminates that. Just do a couple loops. I like to leave it in a little bun. Make sure there's nothing weird hanging out here. And that's it. That's pretty simple. This has been Annie with 4 tips on how to not shampoo your hair every day.